In this series, you will learn how to make a simulator where you can grow in size, purchase points, have a double points game pass, have a prestige system, enter codes, and much, much more. All for completely free. Let's get started. Let's start out by adding a script into our server script service for our leader stats. Let's name it leader stats. Inside of the script, we're going to do game.players.player added :connect function and then player to find when a player joins the game. Then we're going to use instance.new to create a model. This is where any of our players' values will be stored. We're going to have to set the model's name to leader stats and also make the parent our player. A parent is basically what the item is inside of. Then we also have to create the value. We're just going to define it as money, then do an instance.new once again, except this time make an int value, which is basically a number value that can hold decimals. We're then going to set its name to points, and we're going to set its value starting at 0. In episode 6, we will be adding a data store, which can be found in the playlist above. Let's add a script into workspace and name it events. This is where we'll be firing events to be able to actually give points. Let's add in a remote event and label it add points. We can't give points through the button we're clicking because then it will only apply to that player and the rest of the server would not see it. We're now going to detect if the actual event has been fired by doing script.addPoints.onServerEvent: connect function and then PLR. And then if so, PLR being the actual player that fired the event, we're going to type PLR.leaderstats.points.value. We're going to set that to its current value plus 1. Now let's add in something we can click. Let's add in a screen GUI and then inside of that a text button. I'm going to change the size, position, style, and then text to click. You can configure the way your button looks however you would like. Inside, let's add a local script. We're going to find out when the button's clicked by doing script.parent, which is the button itself, then mouse button 1 click, :connect, and then function. If it is clicked, then we're going to fire our event by doing workspace.events.addPoints, which is our actual event, :fire server. Alright, let's test out our game. As you can see, when we click, we get more points. In the next video, I'll be showing you all how to make your character get bigger the more points you have. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, and maybe even also leave a like. See ya!